Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Walk the Dog on Roblox. So you're just going to type in the game Walk the Dog. It's a like 2-player obby. It is more fun to play with friends, but I guess you can play this with randoms as well. Beep, 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 beep. Link yourself with a player. Okay, so as you can see, this will be the person and this will be the dog. I guess... Can I not link with this person? What about this one? Okay, I can't. But you're just going to link up with a person to continue. Obviously, I can, and it is a little bit better if you have friends, because you can link up with them. Okay, here I'll link with that person. I'm gonna be the owner. Okay. Or not. I don't know what's happening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, you're supposed to be able to link, but apparently I can't. This is how the obby works, I guess. Okay, let me try with this person. Oh my gosh, why do I have to be the dog? There we go. So, basically, I have to go to the red area and the other person has to go to the blue one, and sometimes only the dog can pass through. So, and then on this one, I don't really know what to do. Oh my god! Okay, we made it. Oh! I fell. Come on, pick me up. Oh my god, that was so bad. I'm so sorry. Anyways, that is how you can play this game. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!